Okay, well, let's have at it. Today is 11:17. This is gonna be for the session of 11:18. So nandito ako sa US. I'm Brian. I'm US-based trader. Disclaimer, quick disclaimer, anything in this show, anything um, in this video is not a financial advice. Again, it's not a financial advice. It's not mandatory either. So lahat to magiging optional para sa mga sa trade na makikita natin as trade ideas. It can be right, it can be wrong. If it's right, then you make money. If it's wrong, you either make money or you either lose money or you protect your capital. It depends. So let's start with Forex Factory calendars. We're looking at reports. Are there gonna be any reports that's gonna happen November 18, Friday? So keep in mind it's a Friday session. Personally, gusto ko mas relax ang Friday session in a sense na sa weekend gusto ko relaxed ako. I don't want any losing trades na makaka-apekto sa weekend ko. So, let's get on with this. Yung anak ko nakikisali. Sige. Alright, we're gonna talk about markets. So, recap, 11:16 idea. What worked, what did not work? 11:16 idea. This was the previous idea. Ethereum worked like crazy. Yung buy idea ng Ethereum, which is this 1185 confirmation trade. It hit target 1. It has not hit target 2. Next item is Bitcoin. The buy aggressive idea did not work. This is why I was saying it's aggressive. It's because it's so near term that it has the potential to just break. Okay, it had a lower probability of working out. And as I mentioned, Bitcoin is all confirmation trades. Before this recording, this session, short entry happened for 16,900. Okay, and I'll go over that. It didn't work completely. It didn't hit target 1. But at the end of the day, if you took that trade, still congratulations. Depending on the trade plan, you should be able to protect your capital with that. So I'll go ahead and show Ethereum. This is what happened to the trade idea. 1185 as an entry. Initial move got target 1. So congratulations on that initial move. Retraced. Now it's still, whoever's still in this trade, please manage your profit, manage your stop. Okay? Karamihan ng markets ngayon, it's consolidating to a point that it's bound to break out. Choppy ang movement ng markets ngayon, and you'll see that in a daily time frame. Bitcoin. So this is what happened. Right now, it's just showing that we are wicked out after this move. Pero ito yung sinasabi ko. It didn't break in one move. Okay? In this movement, either you should have gotten profits or you should have at least moved your stop loss from that stop loss to break even. Meaning covered din yung expenses ng fees, ng gas fee, ng however much leverage yung ginagamit nyo. Because I know sa Philippines, you can use different leverage amounts. So depending on your leverage, lalaki ang gas fee. So keep that in mind. Profit-wise, it's a lot easier to go at it with lower leverage. Now, we're going to go with the trade ideas. What's next? I know there's a lot of ideas that has not been triggered yet, pero what's next? Okay? For 1117, what I'm looking at is a breakout trade for the range. Okay? Ito yung range niya. Ito yung current range niya. Opening range ang tawag dito. This is where we're at. So, in this time frame, where did the range break out? Above. Okay? Strength-wise, what I'm seeing in a 3-minute time frame, I like this area right here. For a quick trade, Bitcoin buy area 16709.3, stop loss of 1687.5, somewhere around that. First target would be, let's go with a 1-to-1 or at least a 2-to-1, 16757. Second target would be here, 16800. The reason behind that is meron tayong buying dito. There's buying that's happening here. That's why the drop stopped. Okay? It's so easy to just see that the more you do this. Okay? I'm not saying it's easy now. Sa mga beginners, sa mga new bloods dito, it's fine. This is just how I look at the markets. It doesn't mean na lahat ng traders ganito magtingin ng ideas ng movement ng price. There's also buying happening here. So, kung meron kayong position dito, just watch out. Okay? In a daily time frame, this is what Bitcoin looks like. This is consolidation inside this big candle right here. This is a bearish candle na sinusubukan i-reverse to Bitcoin. There's a lot of buying happening. Yes, there's a lot of buying happening. Pero, at the end of the day, we're inside the range. So just be careful sa mga near-term buying na hindi tinitignan ng strength. Strength of movement is something we discuss sa mentoring group. For now, Bitcoin, quickest and nearest trade, 16709. That's the first target. This is the second target. Third target is above this. So that would be nice. Let's put it at 1700. Okay? Or not 1700. Sorry, I keep on saying 100. 1,000 si Bitcoin. So 17,000. Okay, that's the first idea for Bitcoin. Second idea, if you want to short Bitcoin, I would not do a quick short nearest term. Actually, I would. 2-hour time frame. Looks clear. Looks nice enough. I would do this wick to this wick as a short idea. That's a big area. So, ito yung problema ko sa big area. The bigger the area, the farther the target. So would you take that? Personally, me, no. I'm an intraday trader. I prefer na kapag tinake ko, lalo sa futures contracts, ang mga trade ko, for it to be done in a day. Okay? Inside the day. Preferably inside an hour. Sa sobrang layo ng target niyan, sa sobrang taas niyan, ang first target niyan would be somewhere around this price. So 16,750. So, sobrang layo niyan, I'm not really happy with that area. Is it an area? Yes, it is. Pero, I'm more interested sa mga nearest buying. So, that's the nearest buying, lower time frame, 3-minute time frame, and a 15-minute time frame. Nandun pa rin sa baba. So, this was an idea that was sent out on the previous day. So, we'll just copy that idea. It's still valid. And this idea is actually looking a lot better now. The reason behind that is simple. The more the price drops, okay? Habang bumabagsak ang price, ibig sabihin nun maraming selling. But what it's doing is absorbing the buyers. Okay? And what that does is it decreases the orders ng sellers. So what would happen if Bitcoin were to drop from this area to this area? Mauubos ang buyers, pero at the same time, nauubos din ang sellers. If we're loading up here as buyers, what would happen kung pagod na ang sellers? Then we're gonna have a better price impact as far as earning potential. First target would be 16,413 or sabihin na natin 16,415. Second target would be 16,600. So let's put it at that. All right. Ethereum. Again, Ethereum is playing out nice. Okay. Ethereum on a daily time frame is also in consolidation. If we're gonna look for a short here, I'm okay looking for a short now for Ethereum. But why? Kasi yung momentum niya, it's dropping. personally, I'm not against Ethereum. I actually like the buying side ng Ethereum. Pero at the end of the day, lahat ng buying, it's being rejected here in this area. Okay? And it's dropping and dropping and dropping. I'm more comfortable selling short if it breaks below say 1170.50. For now, we're gonna look for a short. Pero this needs to be confirmation trade. Again, as my Ethereum, I think has the buying potential, has the potential to go up among the three coins na tinitignan ko lagi, which is BTC, BNB, and Ethereum. So I would do a short here. First target is here at 1200. So 1201, lalagay na natin ng 1202 yan. That's a 2-to-1 trade, by the way. Kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung sinasabi sa 2-to-1 trade, it's all about the risk management. If you're risking $50 or $5 or $10 or $1, ang sinasabi na 2-to-1 doon is from your entry to stop. That's the one. Ang 2-to-1 is yung target mo if you can get away with taking profits at $2 or $10, depende sa risk mo. If you're risking $1 and then you're taking profit at $2, that's a 2-to-1 trade. If you're risking $1 and you're taking $3, then that's a 3-to-1 trade. So this is the short idea for Ethereum. What I want to see for a buying idea is for Ethereum to actually break this. So if Ethereum breaks above this, okay, if Ethereum breaks above this, then this gives me confidence na merong buying na nangyayari sa Ethereum dito sa area na to. Or dito sa area na to. Lower time frame, let's go. Let's see, breakout trade, 3 minutes of a time frame. This is the range. Nasaan yung 15, okay? There's the range. Right now, it's happening. Yung breakout trade niya nangyayari na. So, where are we going to buy? Personally, I like this area. Okay? If it breaks up above here, there's gonna be a new area and possibly this is it. Pero I need the market to show me kung ano yung hinahanap ko. I'm looking for strength. I'm looking for strength sa gagawin kong move of buying or selling. Okay? Long or short, I'm looking for strength. Right now, all I'm seeing is merong strength dito. It's not ideal, pero I'm just looking for a bounce. A quick 2-to-1 trade or 1-to-1 trade. And I'm good for the day. So from Ethereum, nearest term buying is 1202. Actually, I like the whole number. So I'm not going to go against the whole number. Let's go with the whole number. 1200. So 1200.23 and stop loss at below 1198.48. So 1198.35. Let's go with that. First target is here. Yeah, I like this first target right here. Oh, magnet mode. 1204.93.95. Second target would be 1208. Yeah, 1208.50. So somewhere around that. Again, protect your positions. Friday is, from my experience, kadalasan it's choppy. Lower volume trading. And it's a preparation for the week next. So usually it breaks low time frame trends. So yung mga 15-minute, mga 30-minute to an hour, it can break those trends. It's like it's wiping out the board para next week meron ng iba. BNB. So BNB is definitely showing weakness. Ito yung hinahanap ko na gagawin sana ni Ethereum, which is to keep on breaking lower and lower until it breaks this price. For Bitcoin, or no, not Bitcoin, BNB. For Bitcoin, if it breaks 255, below 255 on a daily time frame, it's gonna be caught by 249 area. The 249 area up to 233 area, meaning what I'm expecting is it breaks here and then it bounces back in this range. Would BNB do that? That's the idea. That's what I'm saying. It's an idea. Pwedeng mali. Pero that's the idea. If that idea is right in the trading world, then you could potentially make money. I'll show you some currencies in a bit, pero nakakatuwa kasi. I mentioned this on the Sunday ideas. Now, for BNB, what's the nearest term buying? There's really nothing. I'm still in love with the idea of shorting BNB around here at 278 or 280s. This section right here, 1 hour time frame na tayo magtingin kasi in reality, BNB is very choppy. Okay, if we go with the trend, BNB has a downtrend, but it hasn't broken out below. Okay, so hindi ko masabi to just short it just because it's gonna drop. The bias in BNB is until it breaks below 260 at least, and then break 255, then definitely there's a possibility of shorting. For now, let's keep to what we can do. So 1 hour time frame, the nearest term resistance is right here. The nearest term support is actually happening now. So nearest term resistance is right here, nearest term support is right here. We can buy in a support area. So this area right here would be a good buy for me at this time. 267.98 and then 267.09. That's the entry to stop. And again, take that as confirmation. I'm not really in love with this area just because number one, it's Friday. Again, it's Friday. Number two, yung choppiness ni BNB. This area actually is an interesting area for shorting. 270s. Okay, 271.80, 270. Anong downside na to? This is not near the resistance. So, in my head, this is just gonna break. Also, nagkaroon siya ng consolidation dito, meaning there's a balance of buying and selling at this point in time. So, it could possibly just break this area. The reason behind that is merong 100 sellers, merong 100 buyers. Okay? Nadulas lang siya kasi nadagdagan lang yung sellers ng 50. So, there's only 50 sellers. Parang ganun yung nangyari and nauubos din yung sellers. So in this area, this is actually used up. I would go higher. This higher area has that breakout potential, and this area is what created this whole area dito. So shorting BNB, confirmation trade, I would do 277.99 and then stop loss at around 279.35. First target. Oh, targets. Hindi ko pa nasabi yung targets pala. So, first target would be 275. No, this right here, 276. And then second target would be 273. Tatanggalin ko na to. I don't like this idea. I'm not gonna give this out. For the ideas that I give out, I only give out ideas that I would take. Hindi pwedeng I don't mislead people. It's not my personality. 273.50 as a second target. For this buying idea, first target would be 269. Second target is 270. All right, that's all I have at this time. So I'm gonna add this to the description, the same as with the other items. Again, it's not mandatory that you take those trades. Sa akin lang is if you're gonna take it, make sure that you're managing your risk. And risk management is dependent sa account size. So again, congratulations sa mga nag-take ng trades ng mga previous ideas. If you did get stopped out, then congratulations on protecting your capital. Getting stopped out doesn't mean that you did bad. Getting stopped out means you're protecting your capital. That's why meron kang stop loss. So, I'll end this session for tonight. Green trades.